How to access invoices issued by TFY to your organization. To access invoices issued by TFY to your company, please navigate to the menu option located on the left panel. Select Invoices. Here, you will find all invoices issued by TFY to your organization. The invoices have been organized according to batch IDs, each representing a specific currency. TFY provides two distinct invoices. One consolidates the total payments made to contractors, while the other itemizes the transaction fee that your organization is responsible for paying to TFY for processing these payments. Upon selecting any of these invoices, you will be presented with specific details, including your organization's tax registration number and the purpose behind the issuance of the invoice. It will also display the total amount and the billed sum. This system streamlines all your invoicing, granting you comprehensive control over expenses associated with managing contractors while ensuring constant visibility and transparency. Additionally, we offer invoicing in your preferred currency, providing you with complete financial control. Thank you.